Welcome to Sri Digambar Institutes of Technology, Dausa. My name Mr. Hardesh Kumar from Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. Today we will discuss about the introduction of peripheral devices. Peripherals. The terms peripheral refer to all hardware devices that are attached to the computer and are controlled by the computer system. The terms peripheral means होता है हार्डवेयर डिवाइसेस एंड अटैच 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 टू द कंप्यूटर, मतलब कंप्यूटर से कनेक्टेड होते हैं जो हमारे पास हार्डवेयर डिवाइसेस और जो कंट्रोल करते हैं हमारे पास कंप्यूटर सिस्टम्स. पेरिफेरल कैन बी क्लासिफाइड इनटू इनपुट डिवाइसेस एंड आउटपुट डिवाइसेस. मींस इनपुट डिवाइसेस भी हैं एंड आउटपुट डिवाइसेस हैं. सम कैन बी बोथ एन इनपुट डिवाइस एंड एन आउटपुट डिवाइस. Types of peripheral. Input device. Input device, this is the input device used to interact with or send data to the computer. For example, mouse, keyboard. Next, output devices. Output devices provide output to the user from the computer. For examples, जैसे मॉनिटर है, प्रिंटर है. स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस, स्टोर डिवाइस प्रोसेस बाय कंप्यूटर एक्स. फॉर एग्जांपल हार्ड डिवाइस, फ्लैश डिवाइस, फ्लैश ड्राइव, हार्ड ड्राइव एंड फ्लैश ड्राइव्स. बोथ आर द स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस एंड मॉनिटर एंड प्रिंटर आर द आउटपुट डिवाइसेस. माउस and keyboard, this is the input devices. So this is the mouse, keyboard, monitor, printer, flash drive, hard drive. This is connected for the hardware devices to the computer. So this is the peripheral devices. Input devices. An input device is a piece of equipment that enable data to be enter into a computer. For example, जैसे माउस, माइक्रोफोन, कीबोर्ड, डिजिटल कैमरा, जॉयस्टिक और स्कैनर. दिस इज जनरली इनपुट डिवाइसेस. दिस इज द input devices is a piece of equipment. जैसे माउस है, this is a piece of equipment. Keyboard, this is a piece of equipment. And joystick, this is a piece of equipment. This is connected of computer system is input devices. जैसे माइक्रोफोन है, डिजिटल कैमरा है, स्कैनर है. This is the all are input devices. This is the mouse, keyboard. This is mouse, keyboard. All electronics devices, microphone, computer systems, touch screen, LCD, LED. We connected of peripheral devices to the computer systems. Some important computer peripheral devices and their uses. जैसे कीबोर्ड है, तो कीबोर्ड मेड अप ऑफ पुश बटन, मेड अप ऑफ पुश बटन, स्विच which send a signal to the CPU central processing unit each time we press them, having alphabet, number, function, special key. Software keyboard or on screen keyboard display an image of a keyboard on the screen. The keyboard is a keyboard with 84 key. It was later replaced with the X101 key. It can be used for shortcut, help in DOS command where mouse does not work. This is the keyboard. This keyboard, this mouse and this keyboard. This is the keyboard and this is the mouse. The total key, this keyboard, one zero one key, right? Monitor, an electronics visual display for computer technology used for computer monitors. जैसे CRT है, CRT cathode ray tubes, LCD liquid crystal display. The first computer monitor used cathode ray tube CRT. The first desktop LCD liquid crystal display computer monitor was the EJO L66 in the mid 1990, present in many aspect ratio width height in market. This is the monitors. जैसे LCD है, LED है, all is the monitors. The different technology used in computer monitor systems. So all is the electronics visual display for computer. The first computer monitor used cathode ray tube CRT. CRT is the cathode ray tubes. Advantage: joysticks easy to learn to use. Disadvantage: direction in simple joysticks are limited. That means this is the first advantage and disadvantage. This is the joysticks easy to learn to use. Remote control, each function can have its own button, making them very simple to use. Next, they cannot be used to control anything other than the device they were designed for. Third, digital camera. No film is needed and unwanted image can be deleted straight away. Image often have to be compressed to avoid using up to much expensive. Fourth है headphone. Easy to use and keep. It requires digital sound signal to convert. Fifth है storage devices. Very fast to access the data and cheap to buy. Save data are deleted if devices fail. So this is the advantage and this is the disadvantage. तो इसे joysticks है, joysticks का advantage easy to learn to use. Disadvantage directions in simple joysticks are limited. Remote control है, digital camera है, headphone है, storage devices है. This is the advantage and disadvantage. Thank you watching this video.